Trixie here from Uniquely Creative, just showing you what is in our June stamp and colour kit, which is called Good Onya Aussie, and it's an Aussie themed kit if you couldn't guess by the title. This is the stamp that's in the kit. It's called Aussie Geo, and there is a little koala and a kangaroo and a map of Australia, and you also get the matching fussy cutting die. These two together are $23 each, so that's $46, and this kit is only going to set you back $39, so great value to get the kit. There is a couple of cards and envelopes in there. You have got your inspiration book, which is absolutely chockers full of fabulous inspiration. There is a sheet of Copic blending card. There are some cute little metal caps, a couple of sheets of cardstock, and all these beautiful double-sided pattern papers that are always in our kits to make your cards pop. Beautiful, really rich Aussie outback Australian type colours, and that is everything that's in your kit. I am going to quickly just show you the add-ons we have this month. The first one is this one here, which is called Good Onya. Gorgeous little kangaroos and wombats. Those wombats are to die for. They're so cute. Wombatulations, love that. Matching fussy cutting die. They are $23 each. We then have the eucalyptus branch stamp, which is a gorgeous little gum leaves, and the matching fussy cutting dies. Sorry about the echo, guys. I'm sitting in our new office and there's no furniture in here yet. This is our new eucalyptus forest die, and this is just stunning. This is replacing our old birch tree forest die, and that one is $25. And this one is called Aussie Road Signs, and that is $15.80. Let me just show you some of the cards quickly that the DT have made with this kit. There's that beautiful branch, cute little one with the stamp that comes in the kit. This is some of the colouring with that Geo set. Isn't that beautiful? So striking. The little happy birthday to you number plate. This one has been paper pieced. So if I turn it on the side, you can see how they've just stamped and then cut out those bits and raised them up on there. So effective. This cute little one here has got the eucalyptus forest in the background. Another little gorgeous one here, a little shaker. This is actually the wattle from our Flying By stamp set. I think it's Flying By. This one is the cute little the number plates, the road signs. How gorgeous is that? Beautiful little koala. Now, I told you these little wombats were so cute. Look at them. They're adorable. Such a cute little card. This one here, greetings from Australia. Just showing you that gorgeous geo, just how simply done with this little bit of grey Copic marker. And those leaves with the stencil, painty stripe stencil. Okay guys, this will be on pre-order from the 15th of June and will be shipping from the 20th. Get in and get your orders quickly. I know this is going to sell out. It is going to be in a whole bunch of stores. A couple of new stores you can find our products in this month are Michelle's Cards and Craft and Place to Create, both in Queensland. Fat Cat's Card Corner have got this, as well as all your regular stockers like the Daisy Chain, the Crafty Chain, Ashcraft and kits down in Tassie. So many of them. I will put a link in our website for all the stores you can actually buy this in if you don't want to order online. Thanks guys, I will see you next time. Bye.